taking, just be. Don't take it.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Tramell Knows It All, and on today I'm going to be making a one-pot meal that is so delicious. It's homemade chicken and noodles with honey butter cornbread. You just get everything ready and dump it in your crock pot, and when you come back, when I tell y'all, the most fulfilling, yummy, warm, just delicious. So sit back and chill with me and watch me as I give y'all a tutorial of how to make this homemade chicken and noodles, how I watched my grandma and my mama do it. I'm doing it. So feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all, I want to thank y'all for getting me to 745 subscribers. I be like, what? I'm trying my best to stay consistent and stay in it to win it. I got a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes, but just know that I'm here and I'm going to keep posting. So thank y'all so much. Y'all, I'm on the road to 1K, so I just want to thank y'all for being on this journey with me. And just sit back and relax and watch me as I cook. Okay, here I'm just adding all my seasonings one by one over the chicken. Okay, here I'm adding my pepper and onion mix. It's a frozen blend you can get in the frozen section of your local supermarket. Now I'm cutting up an onion. I'm going to add that. Okay, here I'm adding some minced garlic. Here I'm adding a half a stick of unsalted butter. You can use any type of unsalted butter of your choice. Okay, now I'm just adding some cold water. Most people, well, some people will use chicken broth, but with my seasonings and the half a stick of unsalted butter and the chicken, it's going to make its own flavoring and own homemade chicken broth. And that's what I prefer because I know what's in it. Okay, now the chicken is done. So now I'm going to add my egg noodles. You can use any egg noodles of your choice. This is what I had on hand at home, the Great Value brand. But this what I use. But normally I'll get the what is it? The no yolk egg noodles or whatever it's called. I'll get that brand. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I normally get that brand, but this is what I had on hand. So this is what I use. Okay, now the noodles are done, so I'm just mixing it up a bit. And now I'm about to add 1 tall can of cream of chicken to make it nice and creamy and give it a little extra flavor. But it's really to make that, once it mixed with my homemade chicken broth, it's going to make a chicken gravy almost. And it is so delicious. Once I'm done mixing in the cream of chicken, I'm going to put the lid back on and let it cook maybe another 15-20 minutes, just so the broth can thicken into a gravy, and then it'll be all done. Okay, I mixed my honey butter cornbread off camera, but this is it in the oven. I just prepared it to the instructions on the box. Cornbread, honey butter cornbread is done. I rubbed some butter on top and it kind of broke it up a little bit because it was still hot out the oven. But cornbread is done. Chicken and noodles are done. This is the finish. Okay, I have it all plated up. Homemade chicken and noodles with honey butter cornbread on top, and I did add some hot sauce because that's just how I like it. And yeah, this is it, the finished plate. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload.